Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Voige. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one amazing ingredient that helps in killing acne-causing bacteria without over-drying your skin. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now the product which I'll be talking about today are the two new launches by the Derma Co. That is the 2.5% benzoyl peroxide face wash and the 2.5% benzoyl peroxide spot corrector gel. Now benzoyl peroxide is such an amazing ingredient which is loved by dermatologists for treating acne. Now, you have used salicylic acid and niacinamide in your skincare routine for reducing the formation of acne, whiteheads or blackheads, but these ingredients work very differently from how benzoyl peroxide works. Now, benzoyl peroxide is an ingredient which helps in killing the acne-causing bacteria. On the other hand, salicylic acid helps in controlling oil production, as well as it has keratolytic properties which helps in preventing the formation of whiteheads and blackheads and reduces inflammation. Niacinamide is an ingredient which helps in reducing oil production as well as reduces pigmentation on the skin. Now let's understand how benzoyl peroxide works. So basically, acne is caused by an acne-causing bacteria which is an anaerobic organism. Now when you apply benzoyl peroxide containing products on your skin, they help in releasing oxygen which makes an inhabitable environment for the bacteria to grow. So this way it helps in killing those bacteria. It also has mild keratolytic properties. It helps in controlling oil production and also results in mild peeling of the skin. But what if I tell you that you can use benzoyl peroxide in your skincare routine without over drying your skin? That's right. The Derma Co has launched their products which contain soothing and calming ingredients along with benzoyl peroxide in it. Now the concentration in these products is 2.5%. Now don't think that 2.5% of benzoyl peroxide is not as effective as the higher percentages. 2.5% concentration works really well on the skin, and it also has an added advantage that it does not dry your skin and it helps in reducing acne effectively. Now coming to the product details one by one. So first I have this benzoyl peroxide face wash by the Derma Co. Now this one has 2.5% benzoyl peroxide along with glycerine, allantoin as well as ceramide complex. Now I've already talked about the key ingredient earlier. Now this one also contains glycerine in it. Now glycerine is known for its humectant properties. It is very hydrating, very moisturizing in nature. Along with that, it also contains allantoin in it, which also helps in retaining moisture in the skin. Apart from this, it also contains ceramide complex. Now ceramides are great ingredients which help in repairing your skin barrier. So whenever you're using drying ingredients in your skincare routine, adding with agents like glycerine, allantoin as well as ceramide complex helps in combating their side effects. Now this product retails for 299 rupees. This is a high lathering face wash, but if you are new to benzoyl peroxide in your skincare routine, you can use it every alternate day in your morning or evening skincare routine. Benzoyl peroxide can be a bit drying to the skin, so I would highly recommend that you follow up with a good hydrating moisturizer. Now coming to the second product, so this is 2.5% benzoyl peroxide spot corrector for active acne. So apart from 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, this one contains niacinamide, sebustop as well as zinc PCA. Now niacinamide is again an amazing ingredient which is great for oily and acne prone skin type, as it is a form of vitamin B3 and it helps in controlling oil production and reduces the formation of acne on your skin. Along with this, it also contains zinc PCA. Now zinc is another ingredient which is great for acne prone skin types. It helps in reducing inflammation as well as soothes redness. So you can apply this spot corrector gel on active acne and leave it overnight. As it is a low irritating formula, it will not over dry your skin, it will not irritate your skin, and it will not cause excessive peeling on your skin. So if you have tried ingredients for your active acne like salicylic acid or niacinamide, but you're not seeing that much results, you can include benzoyl peroxide face wash and spot corrector gel in your skincare routine. So be mindful whenever you're using this ingredient for the first time in your skincare routine, always do a patch test because everyone's skin is different and everyone's skin react to ingredients differently. These products are fragrance-free, gentle and designed by dermatologists. The Derma Co has empowered 20,000 plus students till date with the Young Scientist Initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi. You can purchase these products from Derma Co's official website and you can use my coupon code POONAM2025 for getting a flat 20% off. These products are also available at Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Purple. I'll put down the links of the products in the description box below. Do check it out. But before trying out any kind of new product, a patch test is highly recommended. And whenever you're using any kind of active ingredients in your skincare routine, application of a sunscreen is must. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.